Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Chatham, North Carolina. Flood warning in effect until Sunday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Paul River near Bynum.
Hold on, I got
When?
this.
Until Sunday morning. Impacts at 11.0 feet. Minor flooding begins. The river widens up to 400 feet across. It floods past Ireland on the right bank and Woodlands on the left. Additional details, at 6:46 p.m. Friday the stage was 10.1 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 12.2 feet Saturday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Saturday evening. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood